Did you just hit 100,000 subscribers and now you're wondering, how do I get my silver play button?
You're in the right place. Today we're going to walk you through step-by-step the exact way to do it.
And what about those myths like, what if I don't get the code? What if I don't get the email? Will I get my gray check verification? Those are important things you've got to know.
If you're at 100,000 subscribers,
Whoa!
Congratulations.
Let's get into it. I bet you have been waiting for this moment for as long as I have. It took me about 14 months, and as you can see, I am watching, and here it is, 100,000. Can you believe it? It's the silver play button. You have got to apply for it. So if you've hit 100K, you're close to it, way to go. If you're being inspired, watch this. The first thing you're going to see is in your YouTube studio, you will see this new achievement, redeeming your Silver Creator Award. And so if you have that, that's amazing. But if you don't, one of the myths is you've really got to just sit back and YouTube will send you everything. They won't. You got to be on your game. So go to your email and make sure you check in your spam, because the first email I got, and I got it 6 days after I hit 100,000, and that was 6 calendar days. And you can see here that they're saying, it's going to be coming. It's getting polished and customized. Just 2 hours later, though, I got this email. And it says, okay, now you're official. So you can see here I've grayed out some of those personal info. And the redemption site is what you want to click on. And then there's a unique redemption code, and it's just for you, and it's one code, so you can't share it. But it's good to get these. Now, if you don't, there is a way that you can check to see if you are eligible. And so anyone can do this at any time. And I'm going to give you a pro tip here. You should start doing this when you're about 75,000, 85,000 subscribers in, because it can actually tell you if your channel is not going to get the silver play button. Based on reused content is the #1 strike. Obviously, copyright is the #1 strike. So again, the CEO of YouTube has just once again said they're looking for original content. Well, here you can check your award eligibility, and you can see right below at the bottom here, here's what you need to meet those guidelines. So this is a pretty simple process. You go in here and you want to continue with the email that you've given them, and then you want to read the criteria. So again, if you don't play by their rules, they're going to get you. We know now that the algorithm is more or less fading away, and Gemini, the AI bot, is taking over YouTube. So you're not going to get away with it. Go in here and check. So look through here, get your channel URL, which is of course public, and as you can see here, I'm not eligible. The funny thing is, I knew I was. I did it again, and now look what it says. Here's my silver play button, and here's my redemption code. So this is another way that you can verify if you are getting ready to get that all highly coveted silver play button. Now, what you want to do, of course, is always use your YouTube studio. And you can see here in the top center, the redeem button. So here it is. This is something that we've all been looking forward to. This is kind of the official way to do it. So you can see the redemption code is there, and you can just read that and just realize this is the first page, whether it's from the email or from YouTube. So you're going to click on this, and you're going to see basically this is what you're going to get, and of course it's going to be engraved. Now, don't be a nerd like me and spell your channel name wrong. Thankfully, I caught it. I was pretty excited. And you do have 50 characters, so you can't make it huge, but once you put it in there, the screen will populate. Now, here it says new size, ! And it's not a good thing. So would you believe it? They are reducing the size and have reduced the size. Here in this gray box, they're like, new size, like it's a good thing. Well, they went down from 12 by 10 inches to 10 by 8 by 1.4 inches. Now, for all of us that are super happy and grateful for this, fine. But here you just want to go back and You want to select your language, and then of course you can look at the different things, the images that they give you. You can go through and just get a little bit excited about what this thing's going to look like. So whether you're going to put it on your wall or your shelf, whether it's going to have its own spot, or whether you're just going to put it in the garage, it's kind of cool to get excited and look through these things that you have worked so hard for. So once you get through this screen, you just want to approve it, and it says confirm. You can't change anything, and then you're going to go to this page. So this is the shipping address, and you want to put in your email address that you used in your YouTube account, and then you're going to fill in your info. Now, if this video has been helpful to you, I would certainly appreciate a subscribe, like, comment, or share for this. Send it to those folks that are struggling at 1,000 or 10,000, and I'd love to help you. You can see there the creator roadmap. I do one-on-one coaching and weekly videos. So check back every week for a new video. After you have done that, go ahead and click through to the next screen. So you'll see where it's the billing and shipping address. And the great thing here is that the order is free. So you're going to go ahead and fill that in, and then it says thanks for your order. Now, the crazy thing about this is that, a lot of us do it alone, or maybe with our wife, girlfriend, boyfriend, friend. And here's the great thing. Once you've hit this level, they know that you're serious. You're now have moved from a medium channel to a large channel, and they're going to say you might be working with somebody. So you want to click, and just at the bottom of here, you want to just realize that they're going to let you buy another award for somebody on your team. So you have to have already made the Silver Play eligibility list, and then you're just going to go in here and you're just going to contact them because they need to send you their updated price list. Now, here it's the end of 2025, and a Silver Play button, once you've earned it, is going to cost you about $150. The Gold Play, a whole lot more than that because it's a bigger size and yada yada, but it's about $150 if you want to get them for your teammates or your friends or for anyone else. And this is the way that you do that. So you just go in here and you contact them, you tell them that you would like to purchase an additional one or two or however many, and then they are going to auto-populate your channel URL and your highest milestone achieved. You want to put in your redemption code here that you get straight from YouTube, and then you need to go ahead and verify all of this so that they can make sure that you're legit. You're just not trying to buy a Silver Play button. But here's the great thing. You can't even get into this site, Society Awards, unless you have a redemption code. It won't work for you. So once you've done that, then all of a sudden you get this email saying that we're going to just reach out to you and let you know what the price is and the process for ordering. So that's the end of getting your Silver Play button, and here we go. What's the next step? So be inspired because this is the channel verification application form. And I'll tell you what, if you view YouTube on the right or on your phone and you see those little gray check marks that have a circle on them, those are verified channels. And another one of the myths are, does it come automatically? Or it comes automatically with the Silver Play. No, it doesn't. So I want to give you this bonus as saying this is how you verify your channel. So you're going to have to apply, and then they're going to go through a whole bunch of different steps to make sure that you're legit, you're original, and that you have cross-branding across different social media platforms. And I'll tell you what, I hit the submit button, and I kind of thought that I had done my work and I would be verified. Guess what? I wasn't. So I received an email that, they got my email, but I wasn't. And so I reached out to some of my contacts, and I know now exactly why I wasn't. So in the next month, I'm going to change that. You can reapply every 30 days. And once you get that gray checkmark verification, you are super, super legit, and it gives you a great platform. It doesn't give you a whole lot more with YouTube. They say it gives you nothing more, but Well, here we are, folks. I've given you this bonus of the channel verification application, and I just want to put this logo up here because I can help you. Maybe you can help me. Maybe we can have a synergetic relationship, but we do unique bucket list travel all over the world. We're going to have all 7 continents on in 2026. Please reach out to me, and please tell me which thumbnails and titles and videos suck and which ones are great, and hopefully I get to inspire you to travel our beautiful world. Hey, you're crushing it. Keep hammering. Way to go. Let's do this together.